Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here and welcome to a new series on this YouTube channel that is called Twin Coordination. Each of these tutorials or each of these weeks I'm going to give you some drills or coordination station, I like to call them, practices with your twin hoops. They're not necessarily tricks or flow, but if you do want to learn how to flow beautifully with twin hoops, then I definitely recommend that you check out learn.hooplovers.tv because I have the twin flow experience that we do together for 21 days, or you can come and do twin flow classes with me. I'm going to leave all the links down below so you can check that out if you are into flowing with expressive, beautiful, amazing twin energy, whether you just started or you are on your twin experience journey. But these tutorials and the ones that I'm going to share with you over the next couple of weeks are just drills or ways that you can bring in your strength, coordination, and balance with two hoops. So you are going to need two hoops. In most of these tutorials, I'm going to be using Polypro twins. These ones I got from Hoopology. Those ones I got from Super Hooper. You can find them online or with your local hoop maker. And really what you want to have, it doesn't matter what size they are because all of these drills are off body. You just want to have two hoops that are the same size and the same weight. So grab your hoops and let's get started. We are going to start off with this move that doesn't really have a name. Let's call it a double extension twist. And this is just about using right hand, left hand, building strength and building awareness and balance. So grab your hoops, you're going to have your palms up. We're just going to do it in a drill style. So I'll break down how to do it and then you can practice it for a minute or two and then we'll move on to the next one. Palms up and we push the right hand out so that the thumb is down and the arm is extended out from the shoulder, and then we rotate the thumb out towards the outside of the body and then draw the hoop back to position one, and then we go with the left hand or the opposite side hand, thumb is down, rotate, draw back in. So extend the arm, rotate, bend the elbow, extend the arm, rotate, bend the elbow, out and in, out, twist and in, out, twist and in, out, twist and in. If this is too challenging for you, if the hoops are too heavy, you can do it down a little bit lower if that works better for your wrists, or you can even go up high. So let's try about 30 seconds of this one. Getting stronger and more balanced with each drill. Beautiful. How's that feeling? Cool. We're going for left and right symmetry. So we are all born dominant on one side, or most of us, and for most of our life we will train that side unintentionally to be strong, and then this opposite side generally just gets to hang out. So with twin hooping, what we're doing is we are rewiring that learning. So it can take a little bit of extra time, and these types of drills are really good for doing that, especially if you want to practice your coordination. It's amazing for your brain and for your body. Okay, let's move on to coordination number 2 that we're practicing. You can come back to these anytime. So we're going to do 2 side weaves. So we're going to go over to the side and over to the other side. And this is the precursor to being able to do this continuous side weave. Some people call it the butterfly. So what's going to happen is you're going to have your hoops down in front, and you're going to have one in front and one behind, and your knuckles will be up, your palms facing down, and then it's like you're leading with your thumb. So you're going to go over to the side, down the back, and then to the front. Over to the side, down the back, and then to the front. And I also recommend, just for ease, the hoop that's at the front is going to do the side weave, and then you're going to put it at the back. The hoop that's at the front is going to do the side weave, then you're going to put it at the back. So just for now, opening up through the shoulders, and what you want to make sure is that your elbow and shoulder are out to the side of your body. So you're trying not to do this forwards weave style, but we're going out to the side. So front plane, back plane, front plane, back plane, front plane, back plane. Kind of hard to say. Beautiful. And this is a really great way just to bring some lightness, some freedom, some mobility into your day and with your twins. And then eventually, and although this is not a trick tutorial, but eventually when one is behind, the other will go, and you will start to sync up and build momentum with this move. You'll heighten the hoops, bring them up to around about your wrist to about ear height. And this is the continuous version of one side weave, the other side weave. One side weave, the other side weave. Following along with me, having a little play, building strength, momentum, and hoop epicness. Awesome. Okay, let's try one more, completely different. So these are all different. The thing that you will find similar with all of these coordination drills is that you are using what you're doing on your right, you're doing on your left. So we're doing that to build strength, coordination, balance. I'll say it again and again and again. Okay, this one, we're going to take the hoop back, down and on, back, down and on, open up and off. So they're doing exactly the same thing. So it's just like this pattern that we try over and over again. So that your hands are up, and you take the hoop, you swing it back, down and onto your body. So you drop your hoop. Opposite side, one back, down and onto your body. You can open up here so your thumbs go away from each other, but then you're going to bring your thumbs together over your head and take the hoops off. And then we try again, back, down and on, patterning, back, down and on, open up, thumbs together and off. Back, down and on, back, down and on, thumbs away, thumbs together as you take the hoops up and off. Back, down and on, back, swing, on, away, together, off. Back, down and on, back, down and on, away, together, off. Back, down and on, back, down and on, away, together, off. And you can bring in other variations with moves like this. You can continue to go through this just as a drill, or maybe you find new pockets of space. So as the hoops come out, you want to step out and draw them forward, or maybe back, down and on, back, down and on. Then as you fold backwards, you push out. So you're looking for new ways. However, these are just coordination drills that are going to be really powerful for you if you do them repetitively for a moment, a minute or two, as often as you can, because they are building strength, balance, coordination, which equals epicness with your hoops. And they can just also help for when you do move into accessing your hoop dance flow with twins. You already have all of this learning and this building that is built in through these coordination drills. So I hope that you enjoyed those three. Go back over this tutorial or this video, this coordination station, anytime that you need just some practice with your balance of left and right, and that's pretty much daily. Also, if you come up with your own little sequences, like your own left and right drills, then let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'm going to see you next week for another twin coordination. Big hoop love from me to you. Mwah.